our next session is Malthusianism. Now, Malthusianism is invented by Thomas Malthus in 1798. It is the ultimate theory of disaster. Okay, in simple terms, and this is something I'm going to show you in much more detail. If this represents time and this represents size, our population, our resources look something like this, and Malthus believes that our population looks something like this. Okay, so it keeps dipping under. So in other words, the population tries to grow at an exponential rate, but every time it crosses our resource line, so this is R and this is P for population, R for resources, every time we cross our resource line, we reach unsustainable territory. And therefore we must come, in some sort of way, we must come crashing back down, okay? We must come crashing back down into our actual kind of true population level, okay? And that is dictated by the straight line we have here. You see, we have our straight line, which is our resource growth. So really the truth is resources do not grow to keep up with nation growth. Or at least that's what Malthus believed. So the question really is, can we apply this to our essay by, yeah, exactly. Can we apply this to our essay? Must the optimal population satisfy the Malthusian condition? Is it necessary? I don't know. Stay with me in our future sessions and you might find out. So let's hop over to understand. If the answer in your mind to the question I just asked is a firm no, then that's exactly why we're going to be also studying topic 2, which is extending Malthusian theory. Okay? So when we extend Malthusian theory, we have slightly more modern takes on the whole thing. Okay? Then we look at theories of consumption and theories of climate change. Specifically, I think an interesting fact is, America has a population of 330 million, right? China has a population of, let's just call it 1.4 billion for now, okay? It's probably not quite right by me, but let's call it 1.4 billion. What's really interesting is America's consumption per capita is 5x China's. So America's consumption per capita is 5x China's. Now, I'm no expert, but if you do 0.33 billion times 5, you're gonna get, what are you gonna get here? 0.33 billion times 5. Let's just call it 1.5 billion in consumption, right? In consumption.